Greetings friends, I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. I've done an unboxing of this razor already, but it's such a cool looking razor, I would like to do a shave with it. I'm not going to do a complete shave. I've had a few requests for some lineups, how to use a Shavette style razor to line up the beard. So that's what I've got going on here. I will show you with this razor, which happens to be the Muhle Enthusiast. It's brand new. Let's take a trip around the box. It's a sleeve, pull that out, set that down. A very handsome gift box. Another sleeve, check it. Just push that right out. Reveals the razor stowed safely below. It's got two little straps that hold it in place. Let's remove those straps. The razor pulls right out. I'm going to set that down for 1 second. And you may not know, but I'm going to tell you, you would think, okay, that's it. But that is not it. Pull out this little tab right here that's in the corner. Pull up on that. Underneath you have an instruction sheet and a Muhle blade. So you can get started shaving with the razor right away. This razor is very hefty. Definitely will give the Feather Artist Club razors a run for their money. This is a beautiful looking razor and it feels very, very substantial in the hand. One of the first things I notice, it's a little bit tight to open, which I like, because when you're shaving, you want to make sure it's not going to just fold closed on you while you're trying to shave. So I like to have mine a little bit tighter. If you prefer it not as tight, there's an adjustment screw right here, little Phillips head screw. You can just loosen that, and that will make it swing a little bit easier. It's got beautiful black scales, very substantial. It's even got you can see it's got a support across the middle, so it doesn't flex at all in the middle. It's got a nice swing upward like that. It's got jimps right there for better grip when you're shaving. The big question is, how do you get the blade inside this razor? You see these vertical lines right here? Just pull back on that, and the razor swings right open, just like that. Here, let me show you from the front. Just pull back, boom, it opens right up, just like that. Another great feature about this razor is that it uses standard double-edged razor blades. That's it right there. Any safety razor blade we sell at Shave Nation will fit in this razor. So it comes with a Muhle blade. That's what this is right here. What you need to do before you can use it is snap the blade in half. Let me show you the blade, just so you can see what it looks like. If you're a newcomer, we'll go through it very basically. That's the blade. That's the Muhle blade right there. And it comes with one that I showed you. So you want to just leave it in the paper. Leave it folded over in the paper. And then gently, don't put your fingers on the edges or your thumb. Just keep your fingers on the flat part of the blade. Fold it over. And you'll hear 2 snaps. 1, 2. Now you know the blade is split in 2 pieces. You can just remove one. And that's what you'll use to shave. You can see here's the area where the blade will be accepted right here. So you just lay the blade flat, put it right in there. And there's 2 pins that hold it in place. There's a pin left and a pin on the right side that hold it. And then all you do, just snap this back around right here. And it locks it in place. You can see how the reveal of that blade is absolutely perfect going across. Here's the other side. So I'll do a lineup of my beard, and I will use, this is also new, the Muhle Contour Shave Gel right here. I used this in a previous video, liked it so much, I'm going to use it again, and this is what it's for. This is for doing, it's clear, so you apply it to your wet beard, and then you just massage it in, and then you will just take your razor and do your shaving, and you can see so you can get clean lines. It's not white, it doesn't cover everything up like standard shaving cream. So I'm going to warm up my face and we'll get right to it. Here's the Contour Shave Gel. Just going to put some in my fingertips like that. Massage that together. Massage it into the beard. Really softens and conditions the beard. Prepares it for the shave ahead. All right, here we go. That's what it looks like. Open it up so you can shave with it. You could actually shave with it as a Japanese style or folding. I'll do folding for this application here. You'll see me, I'm going to trim down this beard here. It'll give you a nice straight line, just like that. Other side, same thing. You can see how the gel moves out of the way, and you can see your line. Let's carve out this goatee area. One side. You can get very precise because it's a single blade. It just gives you a nice straight line. Get them both pretty much even, just like that. Let's trim it down to a goatee. I'll just remove this part. Take out this little bit of this neck area. Very comfortable shaving with this razor. Let's do this left side. Cut that sideburn. Just going to rub a little more gel right here. Clean up this area. I don't like it going down my neck, so I'm just going to even this up. You can also line it up this way. Hold it like a Japanese style razor. Come upward. That way you can really get a straight line. Quick dry off. There you have it. Cheeks are clean. Neck is clean. Right in here is clean. Once it grows in a little bit fuller, then I could detail it more. It's going to be thicker. It'll be easier to see what's happening. But that's a basic lineup and how to trim your beard, your neck, chin area, all that with a Shavette type razor. Take a final look at the razor. Very comfortable to shave with. It feels more like a traditional straight razor, just heftier, and the features with the jimps on the underside here, right there, make it easy to grip. And the way the blade loads, super simple. If you want to remove the blade, pull back on the hinge. It snaps open. You can pop the blade right out. You see it in there? You can just pop it right out, like so. Nothing to it. So now it's easy to clean. Dry it off with a towel. Let it dry in free air. It is stainless steel, so you don't have to worry about rust, but I would not leave water drops sit on the blade because you still may get some watermarks. You want to just make sure it's dry after every shave, and it'll last you many years. If you want to pick up one of these razors, the Muhle Enthusiast or the Contour Shave Gel, to get yourself some nice straight lines, just click below the video where it says more or show more. You can grab them right there, or go to shavenation.com Enter what you need in the search box. It'll pop right up. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh. Looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Got to go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.